Hey travelers, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to chat Ava if you want to convert your Airasia ticket to credit account. Step 1, go to airasia.com and dito sa lower right you will see Ava icon, chat with Ava. Just click that icon and hintayin lang natin mag-chat si Ava. I'm Ava, Airasia Virtual All-Star. So I choose flights. And we are ready for takeoff. Please select one of the options below to get started. So I select booking changes. So please select one of the bookings related topic below. So I select COVID-19 flight changes. And since wala dito sa options yung credit account, tina-type ko lang dito yung credit account. A credit account is the balance of money stored in your Big Rewards member account, different from Big Rewards points. So I select request for credit account. So please type your booking number. Okay, hold on. Let me try to retrieve your record. By the way, yung ticket na ito na ipapa-convert to credit account, yung original flight niya ay noong March 29, 2020 pa. Kaso naabutan ng lockdown, hindi nakalipad si passenger at hindi din nag-email si Airasia na na-cancel yung flight niya. Gusto sana niyang ipa-refund na lang kaso wala siyang bank account. Kaya ipapa-convert na lang niya into credit account. Kaso hindi niya alam kung paano i-convert to credit account. So I volunteered to help her at sana ma-convert siya dahil last year pa yung ticket na ito. So hold on. Let me retrieve your record. Thanks. Now I'll need your family name. Enter family name. May I know what is the departure city of your booking? So almost done. Last one, can you give me your Big Rewards member ID? So you have to create your Airasia Big Member account. Ililink ko dito sa taas para mapanood mo yung video ko kung paano mag-create ng Airasia Big Member account. So para makita mo yung Big Member ID, punta ka sa iyong, login ka sa iyong account, Airasia account. And then dito, makikita mo dito yung Big Member ID. Copy mo yan and Paste mo. Well, just a reminder, the Big Rewards member ID must belong either to traveling passenger or the guest who paid the booking. And then enter. I'm really sorry I can't help you with this right now. Let me connect you to my fellow All-Star to assist you. Just click Talk to All-Star para mapunta ka doon sa live chat. I just need some of your details before I transfer you to my fellow All-Star. What is your name? What is your email? So, if possible, yung email na gagamitin mo ay yung email na ginamit mo upon booking. Yung email na gagamitin mo sa pag-create ng Big Member account at yung email na ginamit mo nung binook mo yung ticket, as much as possible, dapat same sila. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit same sila para hindi na kayo hahanapan ng ID to verify your identity. So, what is your booking number? 6-character code na makikita sa iyong ticket. Ibibigay mo siya ulit. And then, connect to my fellow All-Star. Click connect to my fellow All-Star para mapunta ka sa live chat. So, your estimated wait time is 57 seconds. So, naghintay pa talaga ako dito ng mahaba-haba pa sa 57 seconds. So, dapat kayo rin, kailangan niyo siyang hintayin. Kailangan yung habaan yung pasensya ninyo. So, dito, sabi ni Mon M, "Hi, how may I help you?" Okay, hello, Mon M. Gusto ko sana ipa-convert to credit account ang ticket ko. Ito po ang booking reference number. The agent is typing. Sabi ni Mon M, "Hello there. I am sorry. I'm not Tagalog speaker. I appreciate if you can elaborate your concern in English." So, sorry, Mon. Hindi ka pala Tagalog speaker. So, kailangan nating mag-English dito. "Oh, sorry, I just want to ask if you can assist me to convert my ticket to credit account." Booking reference number. Yung follow-up na message ko para hindi niya tatanungin ano yung booking reference number. And follow-up message ko din yung name ng mga passengers na nasa ticket. Para habang sino-check ni Mon, mababasa niya sino yung mga passenger. So, bala ko pang mag-explain sana dito na supposed to be yung flight niya ay sa March 29. So, sabi ni Mon, "Oh, sure, can you please provide me your full name, date of birth, email, and big ID for further assistance." So, tinapos ko pa yung explanation ko dito na original flight was March 15. No, it's not 15. 26 pala, hindi 29. 26, 2020. So, nag-explain pa ako dito kasi baka nga hindi pwede ma-convert to credit account. Okay. Tapusin muna natin yung explanation ko dito bago natin ibigay yung full name. Actually guys, this is already recorded. Ni-record ko ulit para malagyan ng audio kasi hindi ako maka-record ng my audio kasi mabilisan tong live chat na to. So, able to board the flight and Airasia didn't cancel our ticket. So, binigay ko na yung full name, date of birth, email, and big ID for So here, sabi ni Mon, alright, thank you. Due to email change, kindly please provide a copy of guest ID or passport for verification purpose. Please attach in link below. Dito daw sa upload or drag your file here. Dito niya gustong ipapa-upload yung ID. So, kasi yung email na ginamit ko nung nag-create ako ng big member account ay iba dun sa email nung nag-book ng ticket si passenger. Kasi email ko yung ginamit ko sa big member account niya kasi wala siyang email. So, email ko yung ginagamit ko. Kaya nanghihingi siya ng ID for verification purpose. So, kaya if possible na kung ano yung ginamit nyo na email nung nag-book kayo ng ticket, yun din yung email na gagamitin nyo if you want to create a big member account para hindi na sila maghihingi ng ID. So, what if I don't have a passport? So, dahil ang tagal mag-reply ni Mon, nag-follow-up message ako na I don't have passport, can I send other ID? Hindi din siya nag-reply. So, ang ginawa ko ay nag-attach na lang ako ng ibang ID ni passenger. Binigay ko yung voter's ID. So, dito makikita mo na your file has been successfully uploaded to the Asian. So, dahil matagal mag-reply si Mon, sabi niya, sorry for the late response, sir, miss. Thank you for the details. Kindly do allow us to process your request within 3 to 5 days. Once done, you will be notified via email. So, nagtanong pa ako dito kung sure ba talaga na ma-convert siya to credit account kasi nga last year pa yung ticket na yun, ngayon pa lang naasikaso. So, is it guaranteed that it will be converted into credit account? So, gusto kong ma-sure na ma-convert talaga siya. Thank you for your assistance. Magte-thank you tayo kasi Okay naman, smooth naman yung process kahit matagal mag-reply si Mon. The agent is typing. Hintayin natin yung message niya. So, yes, the credit account is guaranteed due to flight canceled. Siguro hindi lang alam ni passenger na may email na na-cancel yung flight niya. Kasi hindi din email niya yung ginamit nung binook siya. Nagpabook lang din siya sa kapitbahay nila. So, yun guys, if hindi kayo familiar how to book ticket or hindi nyo alam sinong kukontakin if may mga changes sa booking mo, then contact a legit travel agent. Contact nyo ako guys. Bubuk ko yung ticket ninyo. You are welcome to let us know if you need anything else. Thank you and be safe. Thank you so much, Mon. Hindi pa ako natapos mag-type. Kinlose na niya. So, magre-rate tayo dito. 1 being dissatisfied and 5 being the very satisfied. So, maglalagay tayo ng feedback para matulungan sila na mas gumanda pa yung customer service nila. And okay naman yung pag-assist sa akin ni Mon, kaya i-appreciate natin yung effort niya kahit matagal. As long as nire-replyan tayo, okay na yun. Kasi hindi lang naman tayo yung passenger na ina-assist nila. So, let's be kind to other people. Let's spread kindness. And then, click submit. So, sabi niya, mapaprocess siya 3 to 5 days.
3 days later.
Tingnan natin if na-process na siya. Mag-login tayo sa ating Airasia Big Member account, airasia.com. And then, hintayin natin mag-load. And then, click login / sign up. So, log in with your email. And then, password. And log in. Hintayin natin mag-load ulit. So, click your name dito sa upper right. And, tingnan mo yung credit amount. Nandito na siya. Nandito na yung amount sa kanyang credit account. So, that means successful yung pag-request natin. And, tingnan mo din sa yung email kasi sabi naman niya na ino-notify ka through email. So, nandito nga, Airasia notification, credit request is successful. Just click para matingnan mo yung details. So, credit request successful, booking number. We're pleased to inform you that your refund request to your credit account is successful. You can check the balance and details by logging into your Big Member account. So, ayan na siya guys. If you want to use na your credit account, then yun yung gagamitin mo kapag maabot ka na sa payment section. So, maybe gagawa lang ako ng separate video for that, how to use your credit account. So, sa susunod na na siguro kung gagamitin na ni passenger yung credit, yung money niya na nasa loob ng kanyang credit account. So, that's all for this video. I hope na nasundan niyo siya and I hope sa inyo din maging successful yung pag-request nyo ng credit account. And if you have questions, just comment down below and rest assured na sasagutin ko yung mga questions niyo as long as alam ko din kung ano yung isasagot. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep safe everyone. Bye!